Hello everyone. In this problem, a block of mass m is kept over another block of mass capital M and the system rests on horizontal surface. A constant force F acting on the lower block produces an acceleration of F upon 2 times m plus m in the system. The two blocks always move together. So in part A, we have to find the coefficient of kinetic friction between the bigger block and the horizontal surface. Now it is given that the entire system is accelerating with an acceleration a, which is equal to F upon 2 times m plus m. So that means the net force on this system is total mass into acceleration. So that means m plus m into F upon 2 times m plus m. So F net is nothing but F by 2. Also, if mu is the kinetic friction between the surface and the bigger block, then F net is equal to mu m into g. Right? Now, the mu value is F net is F by 2. So that means F by 2 m plus m into g. So this is the solution for the first part. Now for second part B, here we have to find the frictional force acting on the smaller block. Now try to understand if the entire system of the blocks is moving with an acceleration a and the smaller block is not moving with respect to bigger mass. So the pseudo force acting on this upper block is nothing but m into a times. And similar frictional force will act in the right hand side. So that means the frictional force is nothing but equal to m into a. Now the a is given as F upon 2 m plus m. So the frictional force on the upper block is m times F upon 2 times m plus m. So this is the solution for the second part. Now for part C, we have to find the work done by the force of friction on the smaller block by the bigger block during a displacement d. And now this is quite very easy. In the part B, we get like frictional force is nothing but m times F upon 2 plus m. And if we multiply this with the displacement, we will get the work done. So the work done is nothing but mfd upon 2 times m plus capital M. So this is the solution for the third part.